Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to make a lobby teleporter in Roblox Studio. So firstly, after opening up Roblox Studios, head to My Games. Then head to the game you want to add a lobby teleporter into. So I'll head into this test game over here and wait for the game to load. So firstly, we have to let the game load properly. After the game loads, we will just head to the toolbox section and under models tab, we will search for teleporter. In here you will find a lot of two-way teleporters which we'll be using in this video. So I'll just select this two-way teleporter. So the two-way teleporter is in here, and how this teleporter works is if you go through one of these doors, you will get out of the other door. So in order to make a lobby teleporter, if we suppose that this is our lobby and we need to teleport in here, we will just take the exit teleporter in here and we will place this blue teleporter anywhere on the map, from where we will be assigning the teleportation to the lobby. So I'll just take it behind this car. So now if we play the game and head to the teleporter over here, we'll see that if I pass through it, I will get out of the blue door. So here it is. It also works on the opposite side. So if I go through the blue door, it will take me red door, it will take me out of the blue door. So if you add any of these doors into your lobby, you can easily make a lobby teleporter through this teleporter. So that's how you can make a lobby teleporter in your Roblox game. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.